central government has stepped in to address the distress of Totapuri mango growers in Karnataka by approving procurement under the Market Intervention Scheme. Under this initiative, the centre has granted approval for the release of MIS subsidies to support the procurement of Totapuri mangoes. The move follows a letter written by Union Minister Pralhad Joshi to the Union Agriculture Minister highlighting the concerns of farmers. Acting on the request, Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chouhan approved the proposal and issued orders for financial assistance. The centre has announced support for 1,30,000 metric tons of Totapuri mangoes with a subsidy of 1,750 rupees per quintal under the scheme. The decision comes amid severe distress among mango growers triggering by erratic weather conditions and a steep fall in market prices. Reports indicate that the price of Totapuri mangoes has sharply declined in several markets, leaving farmers in a difficult situation. Farmers from key mango growing regions including Kolar, Chikkaballapur and Ramanagara have been significantly affected. The situation has led to widespread financial hardship among Totapuri mango growers across these districts. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.